DocCraft is a document automation bot that converts Excel data into invoices using a PowerPoint design as a template. It generates PDF, PPT, or image outputs with just a click. Considering a scenario where every day, businesses need to generate bulk invoices from Excel, often hundreds, doing this manually wastes time. DocCraft reads your Excel data and instantly generates personalized invoices using a predefined PPT template. Here are the input files. One Excel file with invoice data and one PowerPoint template formatted as an invoice layout. This slide shows the mapped fields from Excel, like invoice number, amount, and due date, and the PPT template where these values will be printed. Let's log in securely to the AMBot 365 platform. Once logged in, select DocCraft Bot from the dashboard and we are ready to go. The bot is already trained and scheduled. We simply click the Run button to activate the automation. Click on Run, confirm the file selections, and the bot begins to generate files. Within seconds, we get a full summary of total rows processed and number of invoices printed. Here you can see each invoice, available as individual PDF files and images, ready to be downloaded or sent. This bot, being fast and accurate, has generated 21 invoices under a minute, thus saving 90% of your time. No manual edits, just ready-to-use documents from data